Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Now we discuss about accounting. Then, now what is accounting? Accounting is an art and science of recording business transaction in a systematic manner. Then we discuss accounting involves following characters. It is an art of recording financial transaction and also it involves making of summaries and analysis of financial transactions. It is an art of interpreting result of financial transaction and communicating to the persons who are interested to that such results. In our accounting system, two systems are available. One is single entry system, another one is double entry system. At present, followed accounting system is developed in 15th century. This is called as double entry system. The father of the accounting, as Fra Luca Faciolo, is an Italian and who write a first treated on double entry system in 1494. His name Luca Faciolo. That why reason he is the father of the accounting. Now we discuss about branches of accounting. The branches of accounting is related to the who needs the information of accounting books. For example, financial statements needs to equity shareholders, and management needs management accountings, and labor needs cost accountings, and also tax taxpayer is needs taxation. Like all our needs some the based on the needs of accounting, it can be divided into majorly three categories. One is financial accounting, another one is cost accounting, and third one is management accounting. Financial accounting is a process preparation of financial statements, and whereas cost accounting is related to prepare cost sheets and estimate cost centers, etc. And management accounting is give interpretation of the financial statements with the help of the ratio analysis. Now our main topic is financial accounting. We discussed about what is financial accounting and needs of financial accounting to the business. Financial accounting is a branch of accounting. It can be showed as trade balance, balance sheet, profit and loss account, and etc. Where books is started recording, this financial account is started with ended with the balance sheets and financial statements. It's about step by step fully. And financial accounting working based on the accounting concepts and accounting principles. Now we discuss about what is accounting concept. Accounting concepts is a concept. It means the necessary assumptions and conditions of accounting. It can be categorized mainly four types. We will explain under. Now we discuss about accounting concept. The accounting concept means necessary assumptions and conditions. The concept means an idea or thought, and basic accounting concepts are the fundamental ideas or basic assumptions underlining the theory. Practice of financial accounting. These concepts are termed generally accepted by accounting principles. These are broadly roles accounting activity. In accountancy following concepts are quite popular. First one is business entity concept.